Hello students. In the previous section, you have studied about the structure of seeds. In this section, you will learn about germination of seeds. You have already studied that a seed contains a dormant embryo. Dormant embryo means inactive embryo. Dry seed, however, has all activities of life including exchange of gases, and preparation of food, etc. etc. All these activities are very slow with very minute utilization of food. When the seed is placed in proper conditions necessary for seed germination, it becomes active and seedling is developed from the embryo. This is called seed germination. Germination is the process by which an organism or plant grows from a seed or a similar structure. Germination is very important for plant life because of germination only we can have a new seedling. Now let's understand types of germination. There are 3 types of germination: apical germination, hypogeal germination and viviparous germination. Apical germination. Api means ऊपर, geal means soil, above the soil. Cotyledon grow above the soil. Hypogeal germination. Hypo means नीचे, geal means soil. When cotyledon grow below the soil. Viviparous germination, when plant give birth to young ones. So we will discuss now in detail. Now let's understand apical germination. What is apical germination? Api means ऊपर, geal means soil. When cotyledon grow above the soil, that is called apical germination. Now in this diagram you can notice that cotyledon is above the soil. So what happens under favorable condition, when we soak the seed in soil, the seed imbibe large quantities of water. Seed imbibe means seed absorb water from the surrounding. Then seed coat rupture. You can look in the third diagram that seed coat starts to rupture. The radicle pierces. आप ध्यान से देखिए, एक और चीज़ यहाँ पर नोट करिए कि एपिजियल जर्मिनेशन में हाइपोकोटाइल इलोंगेट फर्स्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज हाइपोकोटाइल? हाइपोकोटाइल मींस कोटिलिडोन. द पार्ट हाइपोकोटाइल इज द पार्ट बिलो द कोटिलिडोन. के ऊपर कौन सा पार्ट होता है? प्लूम्यूल वाला पार्ट होता है. पहले वो ऊपर की तरफ एराइज होगा एंड देन रेडिकल डेवलप्स. Radicle pierces out of the seed coat downward into the soil. वो नीचे soil में चली गई. It starts to develop primary root, then lateral root and root hairs. When the root hairs develop, then they starts to absorb water and salts and provide nutrition. Now we will discuss hypogeal germination. Before that, I will conclude apical germination. That in apical germination, hypocotyle elongate first and cotyledon remain above the soil. Now moving ahead. Hypogeal germination is the germination in which cotyledon remain below the soil. Hypo means below, geal means soil. It generally occurs in monocotyledonous endospermic seed like maize. Now the seed absorb water and swell. The cotyledon absorb food material which is stored in the endosperm. Radicle pierces through the protective covering that is called coleorhiza. Coleorhiza is a protective covering around the radicle. उसमें से सबसे पहले क्या निकलेगा? रूट निकलेगा. रूट निकलने के बाद में हाइपोजियल जर्मिनेशन के केस में पहले एपिकोटाइल इलोंगेट होता है. आपको डायग्राम में हाइपोकोटाइल दिखाई दे रहा है लेकिन हाइपोकोटाइल इलोंगेट नहीं हुआ है. एपिकोटाइल पहले इलोंगेट होता है. एपिकोटाइल क्या है? कोटिलिडोन के अबव का पार्ट. ठीक है. एपिकोटाइल इलोंगेट फर्स्ट, देन इट स्टार्ट्स टू डेवलप लीव्स. ये जो फोलियस लीव्स बनती हैं दे बिकम ग्रीन इन कलर एंड दिस स्टार्ट्स फोटोसिंथेसिस. अब क्योंकि कॉटिलेडॉन ऊपर नहीं गया है। इन हाइपोजियल जर्मिनेशन कॉटिलेडॉन रिमेन बिलो द सॉइल, वो नीचे ही रहता है, इसलिए इसमें कॉटिलेडॉन ग्रीन कलर का नहीं होगा। कॉटिलेडॉन बिकम ड्राई, वो सूख जाएगा। एंड लेटर ऑन क्लस्टर ऑफ फाइब्रस रूट अराइज अराउंड द बेस ऑफ प्राइमरी रूट। These develop from the base of the stem. The first leaf of the plumule which pierces out of the coleoptile. Coleoptile क्या है? A covering around plumule, protective sheath around plumule. तो जो plumule से सबसे पहली बार leaves निकली, ये ग्रीन कलर की हो जाएंगी और ग्रीन कलर की होकर ये फोटोसिंथेसिस करेंगे। Now let's discuss the difference between apical and hypogeal germination. You can notice in the diagram, in apical germination, cotyledon remain above the soil, while in hypogeal germination, cotyledon remain below the soil. In apical germination, hypocotyle elongate first. In hypogeal germination, epicotyle elongate first. बहुत आसान तरीका है याद करने का। एपी में हाइपो पहले आएगा और हाइपो में एपी पहले आएगा। सो एपिजियल हाइपोकोटाइल, हाइपोजियल इन हाइपोजियल एपिकोटाइल इलोंगेट फर्स्ट। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस विविपेरस। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस विविपेरस जर्मिनेशन। विविपेरस आपने शब्द सुना होगा। ओविपेरस एंड विविपेरस एनिमल्स होते हैं। विविपेरस एनिमल्स क्या होते हैं? दोज एनिमल्स who give birth to young ones. So in the similar way, in this plant, in this kind of germination, we give birth to young ones. So it is a special type of germination in mangroves where the seed do not show dormancy and begin to germinate while the fruit is attached still to the tree. After germination, the seedling drops into the saline water, वो नीचे गिरता है, then develop radicle towards the soil and then they develop plumule. Now let's understand dormancy. Dormancy is a condition in which seed does not germinate even when provided with all the favorable condition. So all with this I am ending this topic here. Thank you students to listen me and please revise all the topics and revise all the diagrams. Thank you. Stay home.